Smiling. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you some amazing tips and home remedies for naturally glowing skin. These steps are simple, natural, and effective. So let's get started. First things first, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day keeps your skin hydrated and helps flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also include water-rich foods like cucumber and watermelon in your diet. Next, let's talk about cleansing. It's essential to cleanse your face twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Here's a natural cleanser you can make at home. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Honey has antibacterial properties, and lemon helps to brighten your skin. Apply this mixture to your face, gently massage for a couple of minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Exfoliation is another important step. It removes dead skin cells and promotes new cell growth, giving your skin a natural glow. A simple and effective exfoliator can be made with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix them together and gently scrub your face in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Step 4. Moisturizing. After cleansing and exfoliating, it's crucial to moisturize your skin to keep it soft and hydrated. Avocado is a great natural moisturizer. Mash up half an avocado and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that nourish your skin. Step 5. Face masks. Face masks can provide an extra boost of nutrients to your skin. Here's a simple and effective turmeric face mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes before washing it off. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and yogurt helps to hydrate and exfoliate your skin. Step 6. Healthy diet. Lastly, remember that glowing skin also comes from within. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Include foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds in your meals. These are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are great for your skin. And there you have it. Simple and natural tips for glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key, so incorporate these steps into your routine and you'll see amazing results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time and stay glowing.